Alright guys, 1973 Ford Mustang. This car is a non-tilt steering column. I don't know if that has any difference here. So there's little to no information on these steering columns. Sorry, the steering column wiring to be in fact. There is a guy on the 71 to 73 Mustang forum named Midlife. This guy is a wealth of knowledge. So I took some of his information from the 71, 72 turn signal switch wiring that I saw online, and I combined it with some of the stuff I saw for other models of Fords that were out there. So I just wanted to go over what some of these wires do. So we'll start here with the yellow wire. Now, some of these say that there's a tracer on there. Some say there's not. This one has a little tracer on it, as you can see. So yellow is your horn power. So this one right here is horn power. Right next to it, white with the red tracers, is going to be your four-way flasher. Then next to that, it's going to get a little confusing because these wires are all over the place. You got green with an orange. Green with orange is going to be, well, it's probably green with red. So maybe I'm a little colorblind here. So green with red, that's your left-hand rear turn signal. So then right next to that is going to be your orange and blue right-hand rear turn signal. This light blue, I figured out, is your turn signal flasher. Right next to that is your brake pedal, solid green. So brake light, aka brake pedal. Right next to that, Midlife had on there for a 71 to 72 that this right here is for door ajar. I'm not sure on this yet, so if someone in the comment section wants to correct me, you can go ahead and do it. Excuse my mechanic hands. I've been working on this car for a while now. Now on the bottom side, see if I can clean this up. I'm doing this with one hand. This right here is your horn output. So up here is your horn input. So your horn power is going to go here. 12 volts from the Painless harness if you're messing with the Painless system. So it'll say horn power. You're going to put it to this yellow. Then coming out is going to be this blue. So that's going to be horn output. So your input and your output. And then on this white with the blue tracer, white with blue is right-hand turn signal. Now everything I saw online for the 71 to 72s, this was a blue with white. So you got white with blue, blue with white. On a 73, I'm noticing this difference here. You got this light green with this white tracer. There's two coming out. Now, from the factory system, from what I saw, as you can see, hold on, got blue white. I ended up writing over here green white because on a 73, that's what that is. So what I saw was there's two wires coming out of it, because same thing with this one, same story for this, is one is your power going in for it, and then this is for your dash indicator if you're doing a factory harness. So coming in on the other one, dash indicator on the other. You don't need to use this if you're using a Painless harness, because the Painless harness goes direct. So that's it for the 73 Mustang steering column wiring. If anyone has any other questions, go on the 71 to 73 Mustang forum. There's a guy on there named Midlife. He knows literally everything about these cars, especially since 73s are their own anomaly in itself. A lot of his info is really, really good. So make sure you guys go check that out online. Thanks.